In a remarkable story of strength, dedication, and love, 104-year-old Luinamla Jajo from Pungir Block, Kamjong District, continues to lead a life of hard work and generosity, touching everyone around her. A native of Sambui village, Luinamla married the late Dungbrang Jajo, who was originally from Ningthi. The couple made their home in Pungir, a village nestled in the hills of Manipur's Kamjong district. Together they raised 5 children. Today, only 2 of her children are still living. Luinamla has also lived to see her great-grandchildren. Born on April 30, 1921, Luinamla was the 4th among 6 siblings. Sadly, she is the only one still living today. A quiet testimony to her remarkable endurance. In 2022, to commemorate the milestone of 100 years since her birth, her family erected a centenary monument in her honor. Despite her remarkable age, Luinamla's days are still filled with purpose. Every morning she wakes early to tend to her paddy fields and care for her garden. Her hearing and sight have faded over the years, yet her hands continue to work the soil with the same care she showed decades ago. She never misses a day, says her daughter-in-law, Salome Jajo. Even in rough weather, she can be seen in the fields or walking with her sobkai, the traditional basket slung across her back, carrying fresh vegetables.
다들 산날인 밤에 와 다들 그 밤제야 그 살까 밤 같이 오지 다들 그 통을 툭하와 날인 밤에 잘라 졸라에는 사다 클레메니 문에 다들 쪼타쪼 뭐 용의 양라래 하이다 뭐 용의 양라 봐 주인은 나오다 다들 그 때문에 아미기 키테르 그래 이봐 미기 큰일이 없어서 파카이들라 아미미 대미 하이다 어제 큰일이 돼요 아카로나 hitharan amiki mashemane mama changene tada sada cleaned.
What she harvests, she shares, selling some in the local market and giving the rest to her neighbors. Her wisdom and warmth are the foundation of her household and a symbol of resilience in the community.
Yang kui no we han top ta ba sa kui le ga jen na han ana tiao ka tieta un yor le ga ana chama khwa le chin sam phang e awe vitamin le chin lo mang e ka za la akhla te lo shai ava I thum ni la tra ko ma ham ne isha ni hi phasal ta da phasa ma kan ne ta da ma ka za thai ma ne kha ra rao da khara ka za thi ta da kha tiao na kha ba le ga hai ka san yang.
When asked about the secret to her long life, Luinamla simply credits it to eating good, natural, organic food, a way of life in her rural village where fresh, homegrown produce has always been the norm. Ames Ningshiya, one of her neighbors, shares his admiration for her resilience.
Ames Ningshiya, fairly humble. Wirelessly. Ingum Shaklang heavy Akana Aurilla, active Salagana, Sunkuna Pomlo, Samlo, among Samla. Young Quisong Savala, active Salan Lidley, Italy, inspired Salatale, Kahonadale, Kula Anna, Samla, or Song Savalka, Aurilla, Pumzang, Tadamanirla, the Sala, Ahikakana Hilagi, Kiamalin. We marine later Salaga. Aurilla national being land and the Itumta, Ituling Nikame, Honairam not being lay, away Yaku is how we Hanto Tabji, Yaulaga, Mitsabum Dale, Kaolaga Hita Yelga, and our marine here go by Aurilla Big Lamatingle, Kala, and the Sak Night, don't his subtle, Assistant Guadakana, some of our young quiz you in level. Ting right on the Khalei, shy. Then him the Kayakha like it will really are we mirin Tatavang. I like the lay. Then the Kaola Kayakha and the Shanqui, our crinkerly, it will not dump I like awi ni ga kala ana yong ki sala tinara khung de le andun la khyor mang ni la klema de le cha mi sa bung de le mi a khane jana awi psa kham tha kala arila a hi ki ga ma tharang da khui de le kala a hi octiva freda sikson le de le ji hangai yar ni le nisla ga
Denison Reno, a village elder, also praises her enduring spirit.
Denison Reno hoye. Rui he Punger Lipam the Clay. In Luinamla way, Madame Lake Kata, Hankheim, Luinamla he Zinkum Shaka, Abamati, Kakhaya, Shinawakne. Zinkumli, they help look a king atam hitharan, our Zinkum. Where Tishuda, Yang Sijiva, Itumli, Yang Mika daily compare Sasijiva, I hing at a kind of little by the Panina Pai. Ka among the Lakman Arilla, our young book shop too, Khalei, Ningla Pating Lak the Lefway. I hear Arilla away. Asaka Batku, Kazan, the king atam hitharan. I hear chairs Kakataila, Nare, what kind of chairs can left there? Come switching the chairs come wreck what they shoot a Mimra, Ari, Lakana, the Rapamaisa, Shina Wakane. Arilla, I hear you could tell liver. I hear Zinkum, that Matipanga, the ring bar full of pie, you wish the Sunday.
At 104, moving gracefully into her 105th year, Luinamla Jajo is more than just a centenarian. She is a living legend of hard work, kindness, and deep-rooted family values.